Hello everyone, welcome back to this new episode of the 64 base CTF challenge. We've been able to find a hidden folder and we leveraged the first flag to authenticate to it, and now we are ready to rock. Let's get started. So we get an error saying here incorrect path to the dark side. Let's inspect the source. And what do we have here? We have a comment, don't forget the bounty hunter login. I've already seen this word before. Let's check that out. That was in, I guess, in one of the posts. Yep, here it is. Only respond if you are a real Imperial class bounty hunter. And we are. So let's try with this folder and hopefully we might get something interesting. Oh, okay. We have a logging form. Perfect. Now, what is the credential? I'm not sure. Let's activate burp and see if we can play with this request. Let's try with admin, and you know what? Let's retry with the same password from the first flag. It could work if password reuse was to be part of the challenge. And let's paste it right here. Log in. And we get nothing. What do we have in the source code? Username with ID. That seems like, again, a hex encoded string. Same thing for the password. And we have another one here, basic token. I'm not sure what these are. Let's copy them and use Python to decode them. So let's say that this variable is X, the second one could be Y, and Z for the third one. And let's see. So we can do x.decode hex. That seems like a base 64 encoded to me. Let's call it A. We would do the same for Y. Let's put it in B. Again, same thing for Z. C. So what we have in C, the same thing. Let's import base 64 and then base 64 dot base 64 decode A. Incorrect padding. What about B? Same thing. C, same thing. What about A plus B plus C? Maybe this is one string and we need to like concatenate it and then base 64 decode it. Yes. Oh, we have the flag too. Perfect. So let's take that, put it in please subscribe, and then we would decode that. Base 64 decode subscribe. Oh, okay. We have a link to a YouTube page. Let's check that real quick. Seems like a video of Darth Vader. The channel is called Johnny Burp 78 Darth Vader Star Burp. I already noticed the word burp repeating here. What do we have in the description? Where a verb is more important than useless words. uburp.com. Everything is talking about burp. Okay. Well, speaking of burp, I didn't inspect the requests. What do we have here? So we have Imperial class bounty hunter that points to the index.php. And we had those requests to /admin. Let's show all and apply. And maybe replay our old request, the login request. And see if we get something in our burp. Yes, we have a post request right here. Let's send it to the repeater. So we have the basic auth, which is nothing but the username and password that we've used to connect to the login portal. And here we have function, command, and command login parameters. So this was, I guess, the username and this was the password, but the name of the parameters are kind of misleading here. Let's send this. Oh, okay, we have a redirection, but we have a flag here. Okay. Let's base64 decode it directly from burp. Control-Shift-B. And we have something here. Secret shell / imperial class / bounty hunter login.php, and then that with parameters F and C. I guess because we are already in imperial class under bounty hunter, we could just append those parameters. So that was under login.php. Let's append our request parameters. Oh, we land on command shell. Okay, what do we have here? If we inspect the source, nothing is really here. So I already saw this shell before. Yeah, important. Use system instead of exec to run the secret shell. So we are in the secret shell. And the function here is exec. I can infer from the name of the get parameter f for function. Let's use system. Oh, okay. We get flag 4 as well as the result of our command ID. Oh, cool. Let's take that flag 4 and put it in our notes. So the value would be, you know what, just exit from here, echo that, and pipe it to base64 decode. And yet we have what seems to be other credentials. Let's copy this and put it in our flags.txt file. Okay, so we have the two credentials. We don't know where to use them, though. Well, we've used the first one to access the protected folder. Now, I wonder how we can use that. Maybe it's the SSH for the user 64 base. And the password, let's paste in our newly discovered password from flag 4, but it doesn't work. Okay. What else? So we have the possibility to run commands. In the next video, we're going to see how we can abuse this feature to get a foothold on the system and maybe get root. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and let's see you in the next video. As always, stay curious, keep learning, and go find some bugs.